Good morning students. Now we are going to see them. Today's topic is Ellingham diagram. Okay, what is now we are going to see the Ellingham diagram. In the Ellingham diagram you are going to have the three part of the method. First you are going to see the Ellingham diagram. Next one is observation of Ellingham diagram. Next one is application of Ellingham diagram. In this topic, in the Ellingham diagram topic, you are going to see the only the Ellingham diagram. What is the Ellingham diagram? You are going to see in this topic. Okay, so already you know what is the basic process of the extraction of metal means. First you take the crushing of the ore, and next method is concentration. The last final method is metal oxide your changes into metal is the final process. Okay, in the final process some metal oxide is a lower temperature you are going to change the metal oxide is changes into metal. Some metals oxide do not change the metal oxide to metal. Okay, so now we are going to add some reducing agent. Okay, in the Ellingham diagram you are going to find out the which reducing agent is suitable for the reduction process. Okay, the reduction reaction, the metal oxide is changes into metal reaction, which reducing agent is the best reducing agent. You are going to calculate the uses of the Ellingham diagram. Okay, and the Ellingham diagram the Ellingham diagram. In the Ellingham diagram gives us the thermodynamic feasibility of the reaction because it's constructed only based on the thermodynamic principle. Already you know, already we saw the one video, the Ellingham diagram, thermodynamic principle based by the metallurgy. Already we saw the last video. In the last video says the reduction reaction you must have the negative del G naught, del G value is always the negative. That reduction only the suitable reaction already we saw. Okay, this method also you are going to see the only the based on the thermodynamic principle. Okay, now we are going to see the what is Ellingham diagram. Okay, note the title of the Ellingham diagram. Note the title of the Ellingham diagram. So Ellingham means, so actually the name of the scientist Harold Ellingham. He is construct the diagram. So the diagram name is Ellingham. Okay, so diagram means it represents the graph. Okay, so is the Ellingham diagram means it is graphically represent. It was considered it was constructed by the Harold Ellingham. Okay, this is the method of the Ellingham diagram. In the Ellingham diagram, this is the graphical representation of the Ellingham diagram. In the graphical representation of the Ellingham diagram, x-axis you are going to take the temperature, y-axis you are going to take the del G naught F value. The del G naught F value, so your the formation of metal oxide, the reaction formation of metal oxide reaction del G naught formation values, so taken in the x-axis. So temperature is taken in the the formation of metal oxides del G naught F values is taken in the y-axis. So and the temperature is taken in the x-axis, result in the plot of the, you have one straight line. Okay, the Ellingham diagram is graphically representation of the del G naught values versus the temperature for the formation of some metal oxides. Okay, in the so first I say the Ellingham diagrams gives the feasibility reduction process is the feasible or not. You are going to calculate the Ellingham diagram. First you are going to calculate the first criteria, the reaction is feasible or not. Okay, the criterion for the feasibility of the thermodynamic reduction at the given temperature del G naught values is always the negative one. Already you know. Now we are going to see the del G is equal to del H minus T del S, already you know. Okay, del G is equal to change in free energy, del H is equal to del H means change in enthalpy, del S means change in entropy. Okay, so now you are going to see the important point is the Ellingham diagram. Ellingham calculate the del G naught values at the various temperature, consider the reduction as the equilibrium process. இங்கே என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா இந்த எல்லிங்கம் டயக்ராமில் இருக்க பிளாட் பண்ணக்கூடிய எல்லா ரிடக்ஷன் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸுமே எப்படி இருக்குமாமா? ஸோ ஈக்லிபிரியமாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்கிறது? ஸோ எல்லிங்கம் டயக்ராம் சொல்கிறோம். திஸ் இஸ் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட் ஃபார் த எல்லிங்கம் டயக்ராம். ஓகேவா? யூ நோட் திஸ் பாயிண்ட்.